Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and exposing the adhesive. Remove dirt with isopropyl so the sticker peels cleanly. Once clean, heat the decal evenly to about 40–50 degrees Celsius so the adhesive softens. Hold the dryer 6/8 away and move continuously. Then, use a plastic scribe or old credit card to lift one corner. Pry gently at a 45-degree angle and pull slowly. If the edge resists, reapply heat rather than force, because tearing creates extra residue and makes the next step harder. Once most of the decal is off, you focus on removing adhesive without damaging paint. Apply a citrus-based remover or 70% isopropyl and let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes so the goo softens. Then, scrape gently with a plastic scraper in short strokes. Keep the angle shallow to avoid scratching. Make sure to wipe away softened residue with a microfiber cloth and repeat application only where needed. Patience here preserves the finish and prepares the surface for the new sticker. You finish by positioning and bonding the new sticker correctly. Once the surface is dry and dust-free, use low-tack tape as a hinge to align the decal precisely so you avoid repeeling. Peel backing gradually and squeegee from the center outward to expel air and seat the adhesive. Apply steady pressure for full contact. If small bubbles remain, prick with a fine pin and press flat, then clean the area. Troubleshooting tip: if the sticker lifts later, reheat and re-squeegee to reactivate adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.